Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Vaibhav and today I'm gonna show the basics of Figma. So Figma is a design tool that is used by UI UX designers for making designs for their website or even mobile apps and even desktop apps, but that is actually very rare. So yeah, the Figma is a cloud-based development tool, actually a design tool that is used by most of the companies, teams, and to create a design of a particular idea, and it is vastly used everywhere. The key features of Figma is it is actually good for prototyping, and your complete design can be prototyped easily using this tool. And yeah, any ideas can be generated into the user interface by just simple steps. And here the main advantage of Figma compared to other development tools are design tools are you can create components and you can copy the same components into different screens. You no need to create the same component again and again. You can just copy and paste everything. And the another one advantage is that it is a cloud based, so basically you can invite other of your team members and you can combine together and build an whole app together. And it is actually responsive, and you can even show the demo of your app, basic demo of your app through this app, through this website. So basically uh, this is okay. So now if you want to start, just type fi Figma. So yeah, this is the first site which comes is the official site for Figma. And here you have to just, if you have not logged in, it will ask for a login. And once you log in, if you just click on this icon, you will be redirected to this page. Basically, you can start editing through here only, or but if your laptop is slow or if your internet is slow, this might take some time. Uh, so for smooth ongoing, we can just get the desktop app. So to get the desktop app, you have to just hover to your account and click on it, and there is an option called desktop app, and just click on it. So now the file is getting downloaded. So yeah, while the file is getting downloaded here, yeah, this is the home page of the Figma application, and here you will find all your types, prototypes, and everything. And here you can even create a new type and everything. And these are the basics default that is generated by Figma. So as if now the Figma has been downloaded, so we'll just click on it. It automatically install. So yeah, yeah. So Figma has been installed. So now no need of this window. We can start working on this only. So yeah. So what we saw on the web, this is the same. Just click on yeah. So this is the home page. Basically, this is the free version of Figma. You can even pay for it, but I don't feel necessary. Like it is not necessary to pay. You can just create in free also. And yeah, so the basics of Figma. Here you can create a new team and you can add more team members, so that once you make a change in your file, your team members will also see the changes directly. So let's get into the basics of Figma. So I'll click on this file. Uh, this is the basics of Figma. So for zooming, now this is the page. So this is the layout. Here are all the components and screens, and here are the properties for all those components. And this is the basic toolbar, and this is the page where everything you edit will be reflected. And yeah, so to zoom in into the screen, you have to click on control, and if you have a mouse, you have to scroll your mouse upwards. So now here, now I'm holding control and scroll button. Now it is zooming in. Now to pan through the page, you have to press on H. These are the shortcuts, or you can just click here. But yeah, so now I hovered over it. It is showing that shortcut for that is H. So basically, no need to hover and all. You can just click on H and you can pan over the whole page. Okay, so this is the basic. These are the different screens. So okay, now these are the screens. Now once the final product is completed, you can see it. Right? You can just load the app like this. It is just compiling everything. So see, after doing something, uh, you can just see it right away that what you have done and everything. So now see, if you click on home, if you click on search, or if you click on anything, it works. Now yeah, so right now, okay, so we are at the home page again. Okay, now I'll zoom in into this page. So okay, yeah, so as I said, on the left hand side there are all the components present. So this is the selection. Okay, this is the toolbox, basic toolbox. This is the Figma home page. Like if you have a file, you can import the file or you can edit, and these are the basics, and you guys might be knowing this. This is the selection tool. This is used to select the components in the screen, and there are several options. This is scale and move. We won't go into the scale because that is actually not more required. We'll click on move. So what this button does, it is used to select the components on the screen. So as of now, see, if I hover over something, it is showing me the prompt that you can select this. So if I click on it, the button will be highlighted here. This means that this button is this. So yeah, inside button, now you can see that there is a text. So there is a text here and there's a rectangle. So rectangle is this, and this is the text. You can add text and everything. And yeah, so we'll come to the next thing. The next thing is frame. Frame is a thing that is used to create a new page or new landing page or anything. Like for an example, if I just click on F now, if I click on frame, here you will get the type of frame. As of now, I'll take iPhone 13. If I click on it, a new frame will be created. So here is the new frame. I clicked on iPhone 13, and yeah, so this is the frame created. Now we can work on this. So we'll correct click on this, and yeah, so we'll work on this. This is the basic this thing. Now if I want to add something here, so basically yeah, section is nothing but, like, if you want to create a section here, you can create one section. Like for example, you can make one section for a profile picture, another section for text or something. As of now we don't need, so it's okay. Now these are the different shapes, we can say. Shapes, like if you want to create a button, you can just do like this. Yeah, so one button is created like this, and you can basically even rotate or do anything. Now the good part of Figma is, now I have clicked on rectangle. Now here are all the properties of the rectangle. So here is the design, like align left to align left to the screen, center or right or top bottom, like this. So basically we'll keep it as center. Yeah, so this is the center. Now you can change the color here by doing anything like this, or you can add different effects. You can try it out, it's actually very easy. You can add different shades and you can add effects to it, when what happens when someone clicks the button and everything. And here you can change the radius of the button also. Like now if I see, these are the radius of the button. Yeah, we can do it like this. And basically, yeah, you can choose individually and do that, or anything. This is now a line. You can create a line also, like anything. Like if you want to create a section, like yeah, like this, a section will be created, or anything like ellipse, or anything you can create for profile or anything. Like you can even arc, like half or something like this. If you want to create a logo or something, it can be useful. And these are the basic. You can even add image also, like image placeholder basically. This is the pen tool. This is not much used, but yeah, it is there available. uh, Next is the text option. Yeah, so the text is basically like a text in you see in doc or anything. You can just type anything. Yeah. So here are the text which I have added. So it will be here. You can even change the font. You can change everything. It is here everywhere. You can change the color and everything. Yeah, so these are the components. You can add even plugins, widgets, and everything. Widgets and plugins. Plugins will have like it's same as VS Code only. You can add plugins and everything. Widgets are something like you can just drag and drop the whole pre-created widgets and to your project. That might be useful. This is the pan over. Yeah, this is used to move around your project. Yeah, and so the Figma has basically created everything from first for understanding. So now if we want to prototype, see, when we click on this button, it actually should go to the next page. So if we click on prototype, one second, if I select this and click on prototype, the overflow is no scrolling and the position is scroll with parent. So once if you scroll through the home page, it will also scroll with the home parent this thing. So now wiring. So the next thing is wiring. So wiring is nothing but the flow of your application. So once you click flow means basically if you click on one button and watch the action should be performed once you click the flow button. So that is the good thing about it. So yeah, you can even import CSS also. Like if you have anything created in CSS, you can even import it through here. And yeah, so basically if I select this button, it actually creates a wireframe. See here, it's creating a wireframe saying that it will go to the next page. So now once everything is been created, uh, so everything has been created. Now we can just compile everything and click on play. So what Figma does is compile. It compiles everything and shows you in the final form. So now I said that wireframe. So wireframe will have been created, and now if we click on follow or anything like that, like so yeah. Now if you click on it, you can just start from here, and what will happen if you click on next? You'll go to the next page and everything. You can show every single thing to your respective head or anything. So yeah, this is the basic of Figma. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.